Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set the time to take action on Android. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone and open the Settings app to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Next, scroll down and choose the Accessibility option on the screen. This menu contains additional options for customizing your accessibility features. Step 3. Now, scroll down to locate the Timing Controls option. Tap on it. Step 4. Next, locate the Time to Take Action Accessibility Timeout option. Tap on it. Unfortunately, this is turned off. Step 5. For the last and most important step, see the 4 time options: 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, or 2 minutes. Choose the one you like best. Set the time to take action instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.